Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook ginger scallion sauce or ginger with spring onion sauce. The ginger with scallion sauce is good to make and keep in the house. It can be used as condiment to cook or eat with a lot of dishes. For example, you can eat it with chicken rice, you can cook it with Claypot Chicken Rice, and it's very simple to make. For today I make it quite a lot and I'm going to keep it in the fridge. Alright, so I have 500 grams of fresh ginger, about 5 stalks of spring onion or scallions, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the ginger, we need to remove the skin and chop it into smaller pieces and put it in the blender. And for the scallion of the spring onion, I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. For the scallion, I will remove the white part here. Just going to start to cut it from this part. Cut it into very small pieces like that. For ginger, right, it's easy to cut it like that, and normally for the skin I will just use the knife to scrape it off like that. We're going to scrape off the skin like that. Then after that we're going to wash it. Then we cut it into small pieces and then blend it. For the ginger, it's quite many steps to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do it all. Just going to cut it into small pieces. So we're going to blend the ginger. So I'm going to put it in the blender. To blend the ginger in the blender like this, I need to put a little bit of water to help in blending. Alright, within seconds, so the ginger is ready. Just pour it in this bowl. Alright, ginger paste is ready. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan. Put in about 1 cup of the oil. Use a lot of oil for this one. When the oil is warm up, we can put in the ginger paste. Just cook the ginger and bring to a boil, and until ginger has released a nice fragrance. That will take about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, see the ginger and the oil is getting dry. I'm going to reduce the heat for a bit. Now we're putting in the scallion. If we don't bring down the temperature, the mixture will splash. Just putting in the salt, sesame seed oil, and oyster sauce. Continue to cook for another 1 or 2 minutes, then it is ready. Alright, after 2 minutes, the ginger paste is really come to a boil and it's getting dry, so I'm going to switch off the heat and I'm going to give it a taste. Wow, very nice, very delicious. It's a bit of heat from the ginger and it's very nice fragrance of the ginger, the sesame seed oil and the scallion or the spring onion, and it coated with the oil. This is really nice to serve with chicken rice. Alright, I'm going to take it out from the pan, leave it to cool, and then we're going to put it in a jar. After we leave the sauce to cool for a while, the ginger paste and the oil will separate. If you want, you can remove the oil and put in separate bowl, or else you can just give it a stir and then you will have more oil in the ginger paste. If you want, you can remove the oil like that. So you have ginger oil now. You can cook with the ginger oil or something. I did. Just put it aside, or else you just give it a stir and the oil will blend in together with the ginger paste again. This smells very good. This is also good to cook with the steamed fish. Okay, but for this one I'm going to put it in the jar. And put it in the fridge. It's very simple to make for the ginger and scallion sauce. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooking tips like this. Thank you and bye bye.